everybody. Your friend Hugo A greet you. A third year student from San Pablo High School. Welcome to my video. As you can see, this is my English project. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the belief and dreams that our ancestors truly believe. As you can see, I'm going to comment on the 6 beliefs that I have chosen. Then I'm going to present the 5 dreams that are also part of our ancestors. The first belief is if a person eat in the pot, they can fall into a hole when doing different activities in the jungle. One demonstration working in the jungle. This is the jolt. The second belief is if a person eat the brain of a cooked any animal, when this person is picking some fruit from the tree, a beer will pop on the face. For example, one demonstration. The third belief is when a woman eats a burned rice, and from the pot, she may have difficulty giving birth on the baby because the baby can get one of the organs of the mother and child, and the mother will not be able to give birth normally. The fourth belief is if a woman eats the banana stew, over time she will have a son striking both finger, and life for this child will be very difficult. One pictures the baby difficult it is. The fifth belief is if a person likes of leaf or roasted bihao. It is the plant of bihao. A being will enter into his or her eyes when she is working. For example, one demonstration working in the jungle. The sixth belief is if a person likes the skin of a rare plant. With the time, if the person goes to climb a mountain, he can slip down. One demonstration climbing the mountain. Now I'm going to tell you about ancestral dreams, the 5 dreams. The first dreams is if you dreams logging or being happy, it is the pictures and dreams happy. It is because in reality you are going to cry, to find yourself in very sad situations. It is the pictures in reality in the present very sad situations. Yes. The second dream is if you dreams of shooting, it is because your destiny. This is the picture dreams. Destination is to travel very far, very far, where not one knows anything about your life. The third dream is if your dreams stay waiting for Guatusa. Dreams, the picture dreams for Guatusa. Guatusa will animal like pig, Amazon. It is because the law, so you will go to prison. The pictures, the prison, the situations, reality, the prisons. The fourth dreams is if you dreams of fishing, you cannot to go the jungle because a snake will cut you. So it is better to stay at home fasting. This is the pictures, the snake, the boys. The fifth dreams is if you dreams of sailing in a canoe. This is dreams. It is dreams. Picture dreams in the canoe. It is because you are going to commit suicide and you will be placed in coffee. So reality, very situation, very sad situation. Reality. This is dreams. Really. Thank you for your attention, and I wish many success in life to each one of you who are watching my video right now. Thank you.